Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are keeping well and please be safe. So, today we are going to see chapter 2 Perform Your Duty. The value which we are going to learn is righteous living. Righteous living means nothing but being honest or living truthful. In order to perform our duties in life, we must be righteous. A righteous man enjoys happiness and peace in life. Deviating from the path of righteousness makes the conscience heavy. In our life, we may have even good health, good wealth, and all the facilities. But when our conscience is heavy, we cannot be happy. We may get so many success, but it never brings the real happiness, because when our conscience tells what is good and what is right, when it tells it's right, that when we do, then we feel happy. Just as you find difficult to climb a hill by carrying a heavy luggage on your head, similarly, it is difficult to achieve happiness if you possess a heavy conscience. Example, you are climbing such a big mountain, hill. So, climbing itself such a difficult task. But when you climb, you are carrying a heavy luggage means even you cannot step out 2 to 3 steps. Such a heavy, you feel so tired and you want to take rest and you don't want to move forward. All these things will takes place. The same way, when you don't have righteous in your life, even your conscience feel heavy and you also cannot go forward in your future. Deviation from the path of moral and religious values makes your conscience heavy and burdened. What causes deviation means going away from the path of moral and religious values like love, peace, honest, truthful, forgiveness, etc. As a result, you feel unsafe in your life. But if you hear the voice of your conscience and lead a life of righteousness, it will not only act as a guide but a brake also. So, our conscience is a good leader, it's a good guide. So, when you hear your conscience, then it leads you a right path, a successful way, and the happiest way where you should be. As students, are you aware about your duties? If you turn the pages of history, you would be able to see how a nation attained glory when its citizens became aware of their duties. We should not wait for others to begin. So, just you might have studied in SST. How did we get freedom? And how our citizens work hard, how they suffered, all these things. Since they were aware of their duty, henceforth now we are living in liberty. With freedom we do everything. We have rights to talk, we have rights to live anywhere, we have rights to talk any languages, all these things because of the citizens who lived many years ago. They were aware about their duties. In the same way, if you want to be happy and you should have all the liberty means, you should know your duty and you have to perform your duty such a proper way. One must decide and select oneself to begin with. If the freedom fighters had not been aware of their duties towards the nation, how could we have enjoyed the freedom? Such awareness about our duties should be developed in your daily life. So, as when you are reading, now you should not read for your exams, just mucking and writing. You have to sit and think how they were suffered, how they were aware of their duties towards nation, towards family, towards oneself, all these things. The same way, you also should have awareness about your duties to develop in your uh, future, to develop your skills, your talents, your knowledge, etc. Moral from the lesson. Dear students, at present, your duty is to study well, develop your skill and knowledge, and be aware of every moment what it happens. When you have lack of presence, you fail in everything. When you are aware at every moment, then you are the best person, best human being, best philosopher, best intelligent student in the world. So always try to develop your skill, talent, knowledge, communication skills, and you be aware what it happens in your within yourself, within your family, within the nation, country, etc. Then you will be the happiest person in the world. So my dear students, I request you all to perform your duties in such a way that everyone should feel happy and safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.